Start by applying your high-tech vinyl mask to the flat side of your screen. Make sure it's cut in reverse, everything prints backwards. You've got 3 screen beds to choose from. They all work the same, just pick the one that suits the size of your project. Place your screen face down and clamp it in. The mesh should just touch your item. Use the front clamps on each side to lock the screen in place, and the back clamps to raise and lower the screen. If it's still too high, slide a flatboard under your item to raise it to meet the screen, to close that gap. Put on an apron. Screen ink loves fabric, and it won't come out easily. Trust us. Supplies and inks are near the sink and in this cupboard. Grab your first color, a squeegee, palette knife, and masking tape. Want to mix? Use the empty tubs and treat it like paint. Need more color options? Check the storeroom. There's a wider ink range in there. Use masking tape under the registration marks to capture any ink that comes through the weeded hole. You'll remove the tape later. This avoids stray ink going on your product through the registration hole. Double-check there's no gap between your screen and surface. It needs to be snug for a clean print. Add a generous line of ink at the top of your screen. Excess ink can go back in the bucket after you're done. If you're blending colors, lay the colors side by side along the same line. For blends, the first few pulls will look rough. Aim to keep the 4th and 5th print that you make. Flood the screen with 0 pressure, holding your squeegee at 45 degrees. Do this twice. It guides ink into position, with no pressure. After your 2-0 pressure floods, you can now apply pressure. Do 2 strong pulls at 45 degrees. Clear ink from the squeegee in between. Check for gaps. If needed, do an extra hard pull. Lift the screen to check your design and registration marks. Remember, marks should be printed on your tape. Leave the tape in place until your item is completely finished. Immediately clean your screen and remove the vinyl. Ink dries fast and will clog your mesh, ruining your screen. Let the screen dry fully before reuse. Wet screens don't print properly and could damage your work.